Hey folks, well, I'm back. I've been told that there's only a certain amount of people that are into unboxing videos. Usually you want to see functionality and all these things. But I tend to do them still because I see sometimes people are so focused on functionality that they don't remind people what comes in the box. This is the Hollyland VenusLiv V2. All-in-one streaming camera. You've seen this all over YouTube. You've seen me on my channel, on this channel, review several Hollyland mics for reviews on thegadgeteer.com. And I figured I'd do this quick unboxing so that you don't have to wonder when you look at those videos what comes in the box. So let's take a lot of time. Let's open it up. See how the box comes. So it comes in this sleeve, which I should be able to just slide out. There you go. The gold and black writing on the box may have made it a little bit difficult for you to see. And it's very tight. Okay. So there's the box. This is Hollyland. It's got the serial number and stuff on the side. All right. I'm going to use my trusty knife. And I'm going to slit the seal here in front of you so it's never been opened. Open it up. There's what you see. Okay. Let's take this out. So this would be a card. You know, the contact card. How we're here for you. After sales card. User manual. Compliance information. And the packing list, right? And the packing list is the same as what I'm about to show you that's in the box. So here we go. There's a tab to lift up. Let's lift it up. And this is what you see. I was going to use an overhead camera, but I decided to go with this one. Hope this works. Maybe I should have gone with the overhead, but anyway. Let's take out what's in there. There's this box. There is the camera and nothing else in here. Take this out to show you, nothing else. All empty. I try to do a close-up, so sometimes if I go out of frame, forgive me. So I'm going to put this down on the ground. And this is it, the camera. It does have a lens cap. Most of the time we see it online. Oops, nobody shows the lens cap, but it has a lens cap similar to like a Canon or any other camera, any camera lens cap. But it's nice to know it has a lens cap and it clicks in nice and stiff. There's your screen. Everybody is showing you that it has 1/4 20 mounts on two sides so that you can use it this way, which is like the TikTok, I guess, Instagram way. I don't normally shoot on those platforms, so I will likely be shooting this way, right? Which is YouTube widescreen landscape. You've seen this before. It's got the mic connection, and I have several Hollyland mics. I'm pretty sure one of them will have. I just can't, I can see a bunch of them on my shelf, but I don't want to waste time in this video. I'll have to find which one I'll use, but it can plug directly into here. Function, power, record. It's got nice heat sink vents. It's got the battery port to the back for the Sony type batteries. A lock-in power plug. I like that because once you screw that in, you can't, but accidentally hit the power button. And I've heard people say that this camera can shoot all day. So doing that, I would probably hook this up to an EcoFlow power station, one of the big ones if I went in the field, and I can shoot all day off the grid, right? It's got a mic, looks like, yep, and it's got a USB-A port here. It's got the UVC port here, which, as you know, will plug into your computer so that you can do OBS or whatever the things you want. It's got an SD card slot so you can record locally, It's got an HDMI cable, so if you want to use an external monitor, or let me see if I can pull one of these. I think you can still see on the camera because I use a lot of them. Let me see if I can raise that. Can you see that? Let me plug it out. The Hollyland HDMI transmitters, I've got several of their models. You'll see that on my channel as well. And so I could use that, and I could hook it up right to here, and then I could transmit video numerous ways, right? I could transmit video, I can stream live, and then I can transmit video wirelessly or wired, of course, to my studio setup, which means that I can record on my Blackmagic recorder, which I used to record to a NAS, a Blackmagic Cloud Pod. And this way I can have the live stream, and then I can immediately have, when I'm done, a hard copy to edit for shorts or to maybe, do something else with, right? Maybe even, let's say you're doing a gig, then you can actually stream the customer's gig live and then offer them a hard copy on an SSD drive at the end or something for the right cost, right? So that's it. That's what comes with the camera. And this, as I said, I just wanted to, because I didn't see anybody do this, and I think that sometimes you wonder what's in there, what comes with it, right? Here you have the power cord, and it's got that screw-in connector, so that locks in. You've got an HDMI cable. I tend to use thinner flex cables, but then again, if you're using the Hollyland wireless setup, HDMI setup, then you don't need the HDMI cable. Or you do need the HDMI cable, but you wouldn't use that cable, right? You'd use a really short cable to mount the. If you think about it for a second, using this camera. I wish I could take it off for you right now, but it would be a pain to do it. If I'm using this camera, and let's say I'm shooting landscape, I can actually mount a hot shoe onto the Hollyland wireless HDMI transmitter and hook it right here at the side of this camera, stick it up or sideways, and this is a complete self-contained unit. In here, you also have the piece. This is the American standard that goes in here, so that it becomes American plug, which they're basically showing you that if you buy this in a different country, European, then they'll have a different plug. So that's it. That's all you get. And just in case you wanted to know, like I said, I didn't see it online before. You get the camera, you get the AC plug, you get an HDMI cable, you get a user guide and the manuals, and the rest is up to you. The Hollyland VenusLiv V2. Next time we have a conversation about it, we'll probably be going over what I recorded and what I think about it. So stay tuned. Remember, like, subscribe. It's important. I paid for this out of my pocket. I get to do more if you just love this content. And if you do, give me a thumbs up. Give me some support. Appreciate it. Talk to you soon.